Because otherwise they get too warm in the barns, and it's hard for the baby lambs to find the bag to nurse on. So we shear them because it takes up less room in the barn. Well, as long as we've got the insulated barn, they stay nice and warm. And if we can do it a month ahead of time, after a month they can start going outside. They can climatize to being outside if the weather gets nice. Otherwise we do a lot of barn cleaning. Well, some of the uniforms for the armed forces are made out of the wool. You can get wool socks that keep your feet warmer and drier. Carpet is made out of wool. You have meat that's produced, which they use more on the east and the west coast in restaurants.